Today we're in Delphi Hills featuring the Equinox from Hulbert Homes. Wait until you see this gorgeous 5-bedroom, 4-bath pool home. Every upgrade you can imagine. This has got amazing views. Let's go check it out.
Stay close. We could get lost out here, but I know that we gon' make it out alive. Yeah, close. We could get lost out here, but I know that we gon' make it out alive. Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed this video walkthrough tour. I would love to connect with you to talk about your real estate needs. All my contact information is below. Let's sit down and chat, because remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.